Hello friends. Today I want to talk something different with you. Today I am not going to teach you. Today I want to talk with you. With you as a faculty, as your colleague, as a mentor or as a friend. Before I start speaking to you, I will repeat my favorite quote. Shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you will land among stars. Those of you who have studied from me must be knowing. I always say before the starting of my class, shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you will land among stars. Sky even is not the limit for you. The thing that I want to talk to you about is liked by all of you, is something which brings happiness on everyone's face, which is aspired by all, which tastes sweet by all. I think you must have guessed till now what I am talking about. Yes, you guessed it right. I am talking about the success, the success. Can you name even one person who don't want to be successful in this era? I guess no one. Everyone wants to be successful. But what is the secret mantra behind this success? Is getting the success so difficult, or it is so different from other things? This kept on pricking me, and I was thinking within myself that every student asked me, ma'am, how should we prepare? How can we be successful? What should we do? We forget. We are not able to study. We are not able to focus. What should we do? So what I did once, I asked my students only. Once, after the completion of class, I was having some time, and I always utilize that time interacting with my students. And I asked them, let us create a poll and let us ask with you people only that actually what is required for success, and see what they answered. The very first thing what they answered was hard work. And I say yes, absolutely correct. Without hard work, you cannot expect for success. With hard work, you may or may not get the success, but yes, you cannot expect success without hard work. And if you do the hard work, you can take anything. The destiny is yours. Now, whatever is destined for you, even that is obtained only after doing hard work. So, your hard work will bring you destiny, and your hard work can change your destiny. It is both ways. I will repeat this. Your hard work will bring your destiny, and your hard work can change your destiny. You can force God to change your destiny by your hard work. Alright. Then I asked the second one, what do you think of success? And he said, discipline. And I said, yes, very correct. You cannot do hard work without being disciplined. Now, discipline is always considered in a wrong manner. Studying 24/7 is not always discipline. A person who wants to be like Sachin Tendulkar, then for him the discipline is playing cricket for 10 hours. One who wants to be like Shreya Ghoshal, then rehearsing like Shreya is a discipline for her. For you people who wants to go for the NEET, for the next, for you people, discipline is studying for 10 hours or even more than that. So yes, discipline is very important. But there should be a goal. Somebody has rightly said that a goal without a plan is just a wish. So you have to make a goal-directed study. If you remember, मैं अपने स्टूडेंट से हमेशा कहती हूँ कि डिफरेंस होता है गधे और घोड़े में. यही डिफरेंस होता है गोल का, स्मार्ट वर्क का. A donkey may be working more than a horse. He is working more He is having more of hard work. He is more disciplined. But there is no goal-directed work there. So you should always have a target, a goal for which you are working. What you called as direction. A direction is very, very important. In which direction you are putting the force, in which direction you are putting that hard work. And then the other people said, ma'am, it is the attitude. Very rightly said. Your attitude defines your direction. Your attitude defines your hard work. Your attitude defines how much discipline you are. And excellence is not a skill. It is just an attitude. So if you are striving for excellence, you have to develop that attitude. मुझे बहुत पसंद आता है आमिर खान का एक डायलॉग 3 Idiots में, that don't work for the success, work for excellence. सक्सेस झक मार के आपके पीछे आएगी. बहुत सही बात कही है. हमें सक्सेस के पीछे नहीं भागना, हमें एक्सीलेंस के पीछे भागना है. सक्सेस हमारे पीछे भागेगी. एक्सीलेंस इज नॉट अ स्किल, इट इज जस्ट एन एटीट्यूड. बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत सारी ऐसी बातें कही जो कि सब बिल्कुल ठीक थी, जिसमें से कुछ मैंने आप लोगों को बताई. नाउ दे सेड, इज दिस कंप्लीट मैम? आई सेड नो. They are all together, but they have to be binded with something. There should be a binder for all of them. And they were all curious, what is that binder? And that binder is actually the focus. You have to be very focused in your life. If you are not focused in your life, your excellence, your discipline, your hard work, your attitude, nothing will happen to you. Nothing will help you. A focus is one thing by which even a slimmest of a person can break a hardest of a tile. Have you seen? So that is the power of focus. A very old and very strong of the Chinese art, which says that your art of focusing, even by your focus, power of focus, you can do hardest of things. That is the power of focus. Then, can you expect what they asked me? They said, ma'am, how can we get this then? From where we have to bring this focus? And I answered very simply, focus, the power of motivation, that drive, motivational drive. Nobody can give you that drive. That drive comes from within. And that drive comes from within only when you have the passion for that thing. Passion. Now, sometimes I feel that English words are not that strong as we have the Hindi replacements. Till now, I have not got any word which is equally strong as जुनून. जिसे कह सकते हैं जुनून. अगर आप में वो जुनून है करने का, तो आप कर जाओगे. पैशन मुझे बहुत वीक लगता है उसके कंपैरिजन में. किलर इंस्टिंक्ट, अगर आप में वो किलर इंस्टिंक्ट है, वो ड्राइव है, वो मोटिवेशन है, वो पैशन है, तो आप में फोकस भी आ जाएगा अपनी उस चीज को करने के लिए. You can do everything that you feel that you can do it, and you cannot do anything, even a penny of that work which you think you cannot do, because you are not passionate about it. If you are passionate, you cannot say that it is beyond your limits. Limits are only in our mind. Barrier is only in our mind. Break that barrier. Come on, you can do anything. Those who do it are from this world only. They are not coming from Mars. So why can't you do it? कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? That passion, that drive have to be within yourself. So you have to be passionate. Bring that passion. First identify your direction. Apply the focus on it and be passionate for it. Instead of looking 1,000 excuses, see the 1 million excuses for doing it. See the 100 of reasons why you can do it instead of seeing the reasons why you can't do it. So this was for you, and all my students, I will wish you a very good luck. Keep working, keep focusing, Be passionate about your love. The work becomes very lovable. The love becomes whenever you start loving what you try to do. So a work becomes a hobby, and a hobby becomes your passion. Start doing those things that you love, or start working hard. You have to love whatever you do. And if you love whatever you are doing, success will be yours. They say that if you want to achieve success, hard work is the only option. But I say that if you do the hard work, then success is the only option. So now signing off, this is Dr. Neha Agarwal. I'm ophthalmology faculty, and I want to say that identify your direction today, start working hard. Remember, there are no limits, and bring that killer instinct and that passion in your work. Thank you and goodbye.